Hello and welcome everybody. LCID stock on 26 November. So let's see the price that would actually import, and if we wanted to go for this thing, okay, here and here is going to be intersection, and this is going to be okay about what would happen in these times. Okay, so this is going to be also referring back for what is going to be happening in the sides of the LCID. So LCID also has an ability to make after it an increase in momentum. This increase in momentum was going to be good for a lot of stocks, and then the price in 2023 will be moreover about good things that can actually be in 1 day update, and this going to be also about the errors that I drew here. Okay, those are three resistances, and the last one was an intersection that made a new wave here. That what actually helped the technical analysis, and the technical analysis helped the price prediction to be reduced like this.